Hello friends, welcome back to resinween. I've got some new molds. I actually ordered these quite a while ago. Before October even started. I just hadn't pulled them out yet because I don't rightly know what I want to do with them. My housemate thinks I should color them like not cotton candy, like candy corn. I don't want to do that though. I don't know. Anyway, let's open these up. Somehow I got 2 sets of all of these. These are from AliExpress, by the way. So I'll probably give away a set. I don't know even why I brought out the second set. Let me just do this. Okay. They're very pretty. They're quite large compared to like a feather bookmark. They're not bookmarks. Just so everyone knows, these are not bookmarks. They are far too thick to be bookmarks. I mean, hell, even the bookmark molds I think are far too thick to be bookmarks. But that's just me. So I got 4 different shapes here. And they're very detailed. I think this one's probably my favorite. I think it's very pretty. Here's the thing. My heart is telling me to do these in black, but I've done so much stuff in black lately. Like, even though a little bit of it yesterday was not black. You know, yesterday's video, most of it was. So I don't know, maybe I'll dust these with chameleon powders. Maybe that's what I'll do. And I can do one of them with mica powders in the colors of candy corn for her. Maybe I'll do this one in candy corn for her. And then the other ones I'll dust in chameleon powders. Yes, that's what we'll do. So I am still going to mix up black. You know, that's the way the cookie crumbles. But, yeah, I don't know. I'm really excited to see how these look. I think these would be very pretty, like displayed on a wall, you know. If you just display them kind of randomly on a wall, I think that would be pretty. But yeah, so super simple one today. I'm going to dust these, pour in black, of course, because black makes the mica powders and the chameleon powders pop, and then we will demold. Okay? So, let's get started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Another bonus unmolding? Yes, because why not? I don't like to waste resin. You guys know this about me. So these are a bunch of different pours. I'm sure you can tell which videos these are from. Ooh, that one's cool. I still have no clue what I want to do with these. I'm not even sure I'm going to use them this year. That's the funny thing. I might put these away and hoard them for next Halloween season. Ooh, I like that one. Ooh, cool. And, by the way, these do go together really well. So, if you wanted to make a bunch of these and then attach them together, you could make some little bottles, although they don't have flat bottoms, so they wouldn't stand up all that well. But, yeah. These are really cool. Anyway, that's yet another bonus unmolding. I'm honestly surprised I haven't had more for 31 days. It's weird. Alright, friends. It's only been a little over 12 hours, but I'm really excited to see how these look. So I'm going to demold them and then just lay them flat so that they continue curing. So they are still just a little bit bendy. That tip is a lot of bendy. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, that is so beautiful. This isn't very Halloween-y, but man, is it pretty. Oh. Okay, let's keep going, Megan. Keep going. Oh, yeah. Oh. That is so pretty. It's not showing up on the video. But, well, I guess it kind of is. This portion and this portion are glittered. I used the holographic glitter for them. Okay. Nice. These are the same colors, even though I didn't use the same mica powders for it. That's so funny. Okay. And here's the one for my housemate. This is the... this is the candy corn. Let's see. That does not look like candy corn at all. That silvery white turned into straight silver. It's still really cool looking, though. I really enjoy those colors together. Wow. Okay. So anyway, that is today's video. I think they're gorgeous. Between these two, I'm not sure which one is my favorite. I think it's probably this one, which is weird because blue is my favorite color. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.